Welcome to all the viewers, this is Dr. Bookworm back with a new video, and in this video we are going to discover the scope and opportunities related to BS Zoology. So in this video series we are going to discuss the opportunities and scope of different BS programs offered in Pakistan. This is the second video of our series which is on BS Zoology. So we will be exploring in detail the introduction, eligibility criteria, institutes that are offering BS Zoology, and scope and career opportunities related to the field of zoology. Before that, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. You can also watch our videos related to foreign scholarships. So first of all, introducing the term zoology or the field of zoology. Zoology is the branch of biology concerned with the study of animals and animal kingdom. So the name suggests as well, zoo means animals and logy means studies. So anything that is relevant to the study of animals or the animal kingdom is called zoology. It is also known as the animal biology in different universities of the world. The study of zoology includes the interaction of animal kingdom in their ecosystems such as classification, habitat, structure, embryology, distribution, evolution, and extinct species. So every aspects of animal biology, in starting from the individual animal physiology to the community of animals and the overall ecosystem and the environment that keeps the animals going, is included in the domain of zoology. So coming towards the eligibility criteria and duration, you need to have an FSc pre-medical degree with at least 50% marks in order to be eligible to apply for BS Zoology programs in different universities. So this is not a fixed criteria, as the minimum marks can vary from university to university. If you are applying for public sector universities, it could be 60% or more than that. In addition to FSc pre-medical marks, you need to clear the entry test of the university. So the university can take its own test, as well as it can ask you to give an HEC based entry test, which it considers in replacement to the university test. 4 years honors degree program is offered as a BS program. Make sure you are always preferring the 4-year program over the 2-year programs of BSc and MSc, as they have now become obsolete and not acceptable in the international level. Each semester of 6 months duration will be there, and in total 8 semesters will be there, making a 4-year BS honors program. So if we discuss the fee structure greatly varies these days, as due to inflation the fee structure has been changed for most of the universities. But in general, you can say that the public sector universities charge around 30,000 to 80,000 for one semester, and the private sector universities can charge between 1 lakh to 2 lakh zoology. So there is a lot number of universities in Pakistan that are offering BS Zoology. Almost all the universities offer these degrees. So we will be talking about the top 10 universities that are offering BS Zoology. The first one is University of Punjab in Lahore, Government College University Lahore, Quaid-e-Azam University Islamabad, Government College University Faisalabad, University of Agriculture Faisalabad, Comsats University Islamabad, Kohat University of Science and Technology, Bahauddin Zakaria University Multan, University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences Lahore, University of Karachi. So try to figure out the universities on the basis of your subject. The more specialized the university is in a particular field, the more helpful it will be to grow in that particular area. So University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences in Lahore, UVAS, is one of the best opportunity or best university that you can avail for BS Zoology program. So while discussing the major areas of specialization after BS Zoology, where you can specialize in which fields, it includes veterinary sciences, as zoology and veterinary sciences are similar subjects. So you can move your specialization area towards veterinary sciences. These are the doctors that deal with the problems of animals. So you can go in your specialization towards the veterinary sciences. Then comes marine biology. Throughout the world, it is a very advanced field and very developed field. So if you specialize in fisheries or aquaculture or marine life, then you can go towards studying marine biology in your master's program or towards your profession. Then you have an option to go towards environmental biology. So as you have studied the animal life, animal ecosystem, habitats, conservation, wildlife, so you can implement all this knowledge into by coupling it with ecological knowledge, and you can go towards planning your masters or profession in the field of environmental biology. Then you have an option to go towards wildlife and conservation. Every government has an organization that works on the wildlife conservation aspect of their local species. In Pakistan as well, we have the Ministry of Climate Change that is focused on the wildlife and conservation, and there is a post of forest officer in Pakistan specially announced by the government, so you can go towards this area as well for specialization. There are several career options related to BS Zoology. First of all, you can join any research center as a researcher. There are immense number of posts for a research assistant, research associates, and different research projects. So you can apply in that in order to become a researcher and join a research center within Pakistan or outside Pakistan. Then you have an option to go for wildlife conservationist. This is a person that is focused on wildlife conservation. So WWF and Ministry of Climate Change, these are the two organizations. One is government organization and the other is private international organization that is working on the conservation of animals. So you can look forward to these two opportunities to work as a wildlife conservationist. Then you can apply for the position of zookeeper. There are zoos in almost all the big cities of the world as well as within Pakistan. So there is a position of zookeeper where specialized zoologists are required to take care of animals. So you can apply for this position as well. Environmental scientist, as I have already discussed, that you can couple up your knowledge of zoology with ecology to become an environmental scientist. And again, Ministry of Climate Change is one of the organizations that is working in this area. You can also work as an animal trainer. Throughout the world, people hire animal trainers for their pets, or organizations hire them where there are big number of animals. So you can apply for this position as well. Veterinary technologist, as I have told you that zoology and veterinary are related fields, so all the veterinary doctors can hire zoologist as assistant for animal for checking animals or animal observation or taking care of animals. So all these jobs are included in the veterinary labs or veterinary hospitals. Forest officer, Ministry of Climate Change offers this position where you are supposed to take care of the forest and the local species of Pakistan. So you can also apply for this position. Marine biologist, there is a advanced field of fisheries, aquaculture. So in the fish farms or in the marine coastal areas, you can be appointed as a marine biologist to take care of the local species or industry. So here is another important opportunity if you are looking forward to do BS Zoology in Pakistan, or if you have already done BS Zoology, then you should consider knowing more about the World Wildlife Foundation, WWF, which is an international organization working on the sustainable environment and conservation of endangered species particularly. So they offer several opportunities like internships, job opportunities, and volunteer activities related to wildlife and conservation within Pakistan and across the world as well. So whichever nationality you belong to, you can find out WWF in your country and you can apply for the internships, jobs, or volunteer experiences. You can visit wwf.park.org for further details about the internships, job opportunities, and volunteer activities conducted by WWF in Pakistan. So this was all about BS Zoology and its scope within Pakistan and across the world. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or concerns, you can simply comment down the video and I will definitely try to answer. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. This is Dr. Bookworm signing off. Thank you.